Place the level on the chassis and move it to a horizontal position. Also place the level ruler above the laser and move it to a horizontal position. Turn on the red focus light. Use the up or down keys to adjust the two focus lights to overlap at one point, and the focus is completed. Double-click to open the Sapphire software. There are options to scan documents or pictures on the left side of the software. Select the items you want to print, and adjust the parameters on the right side. If the scan target is a flat material, you need to click Fill. Just select the scan mode as Flat Scan. After setting the parameters, click F1 Red Light Preview, and the scanning position can be clearly seen on the target material. Click F2 to scan to complete the engraving. Select the engraving target file, such as vector image, logo. The same steps are followed. The target material can be steel, aluminum, stoneware, ceramics. If the engraving target is round, you need to use a caliper to measure the diameter of the round object. 14 mm as shown in video. At this time, the engraving mode needs to select rotation axis marking. Fill in the diameter 14 mm. Mobile engraving method can be used by installing the laser positioning frame under the lens. Scan is done with the flip of a switch.